Did you know that some of the most popular cleaning products in your home are slowly poisoning you and your family, causing respiratory problems, skin issues, and long-term health damage that you're attributing to other causes? What if the products marketed as essential for a clean home are actually making your home toxic? I discovered this truth after a health scare sent me to the doctor, and what I learned made me throw away half the products under my sink. Stay to the end, because this could save your health. The wake-up call I couldn't ignore. 3 months ago, I started experiencing symptoms I couldn't explain. Persistent headaches, difficulty breathing, chronic cough. I attributed it to stress, seasonal allergies, maybe aging. I went to my doctor expecting a prescription for allergy medication. Instead, she asked me an unexpected question. "What cleaning products do you use at home?" I was confused. What did cleaning products have to do with my symptoms? She explained that she was seeing an epidemic of patients with respiratory issues, skin problems, and headaches traced directly to common household cleaning products. Product 1. Bleach-based cleaners. Stop using any cleaner containing sodium hypochlorite, bleach. Why it's dangerous. Bleach releases chlorine gas, especially when mixed with other cleaners. It causes respiratory irritation, can trigger asthma, and damages lung tissue with repeated exposure. Many people use bleach thinking they're disinfecting, but they're actually harming themselves. Use instead hydrogen peroxide, 3% for disinfection. Product 2. Antibacterial cleaners with triclosan. Stop using products listing triclosan or triclocarban in ingredients. Why it's dangerous. These antibacterial agents disrupt hormone function, contribute to antibiotic resistance, and accumulate in the body over time. The FDA has even restricted their use in soaps, yet they persist in many cleaning products. Product 3. Air fresheners and fragrance sprays. Stop using all synthetic air fresheners, plug-ins, and automatic sprays. Why it's dangerous. Most contain phthalates that disrupt hormones, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that cause respiratory issues, and formaldehyde, a known carcinogen. The fresh scent is actually a cocktail of harmful chemicals. I was using plug-in air fresheners in every room. Product 4. Oven cleaners with lye. Stop using oven cleaners containing sodium hydroxide, lye. Why it's dangerous. Extremely caustic, causes chemical burns on skin contact, produces dangerous fumes that damage respiratory system, and leaves residue in the space where you cook food. The warning labels should terrify you. Fatal if swallowed. Product 5. Drain cleaners with sulfuric acid. Stop using chemical drain cleaners containing sulfuric acid or sodium hydroxide. Why it's dangerous. Highly corrosive, produces heat and potentially explosive reactions, releases toxic fumes, and can cause severe burns. The pattern I discovered. After researching these products deeply, I discovered a disturbing pattern. The most aggressively marketed cleaning products are often the most dangerous. Why? Because harsh chemicals create immediate visible results that make impressive advertisements. So companies prioritize dramatic before and after transformations over user safety. The health transformation. Since eliminating these 5 product categories and switching to natural alternatives, my health has completely transformed. But the change went beyond just me. My husband's unexplained fatigue improved. What to do right now? Go through your cleaning products, read the ingredient labels. If you see sodium hypochlorite, triclosan, phthalates, formaldehyde, sodium hydroxide, sulfuric acid, or any ingredients you can't pronounce, research them. Many are toxic. Replace them gradually with natural alternatives: white vinegar, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, Castile soap, and lemon. These simple ingredients handle 95% of household cleaning safely and effectively. If this opened your eyes to what you're bringing into your home, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more health-protecting information. Share this with everyone you care about. Comment which product you're replacing first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, protect your health, read labels, and never trust marketing over safety.